vegan short film showcasing the hopes and dreams of a cow person named Daisy released. Produced by Last Chance for Animals, filmmaker Dustin Brown's stop-motion animation film, Super Cow, depicts the escape from a slaughterhouse through the eyes of a retired cow person named Daisy. While following her journey, viewers witness Daisy's unfortunate fate. Her escape attempt fails as she becomes one of the 70 billion animal people slaughtered each year. With this short movie, Mr. Brown aims to raise awareness on the exploitation of billions of animal persons while educating humans about the uniqueness of each individual. The film is accompanied by powerful background music donated by animal people rights activist and musician Moby. Our gratitude, Dustin Brown, Last Chance for Animals, and Moby for this eye-opening short film that educates humans about the gruesome practices of the animal people industry. In God's magnanimous love, may everyone soon awaken to the life-saving vegan lifestyle as we recognize the dignity and beauty of all our fellow co-inhabitants.
Vegan, 'cause we don't condone murder.